How to log into Dubai Islamic online banking. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can log into Dubai Islamic online banking. For this, you want to launch open Play Store or App Store. Now you want to tap on the search bar and here search for DIB mobile app. Now this is the application you want to download and install on your device. So go ahead and tap on the install button. After this application has been installed, tap on the open option. Now this is the interface of Dubai Islamic Bank app. Tap on the log into your account option. Now you want to swipe and get all the information and features of this app. Now tap on the get started option. Now, in order to be logged into your online banking, you will have to enter some credentials. Go ahead and enter your username over here. Then you want to enter your password. Now tap on the login option. In case you have forgotten the login details, tap on the forgot login details option. Now select the appropriate option. If you have forgotten your password, tap on the reset option. Now you will have to follow the on-screen prompts and enter all of these information in order to reset your password. You can also log in with UAE Pass if you have that. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.